भावनाओं व्यक्त करें।
Namaste. Good evening, everyone. I heartily welcome you all and our honorable guests. I hope I am able to perform something quite closer to all your expectations. It is an amazing experience to perform in front of such encouraging and supporting audience. Thank you for that. On this special, in fact the biggest day of my life, I desperately want to thank so many people who have contributed in my journey of dance and Arangetram. I'll start with the supreme reality, that is God. I feel truly blessed as I got such a rare opportunity of doing Arangetram and learning this beautiful art of dance which very few people get. Whenever and whatever number of times I fell down, I got the strength to rise up again with more power. Even after going into another field, I got an opportunity to come back in this beautiful world of dance. I feel that I am one of the luckiest people in this world. Along with that, due to the blessings of my late Nanaji, Nanima and Dadaji and my Dadi who is here with us, I am able to perform my Arangetram. Next is the one for whom thank you is a very small word. She is the one in whom I can actually see God, and that is my mother. Since my childhood, whether it is academics, dance, sports or any other activity, she has been my backbone. No matter how many number of times I cried, she has always been there to wipe off my tears. She has supported all right and wrong decisions which I have taken throughout my life. In my journey of Arangetram, she has been my mental support at each and every moment. I love you more than anything in this world. You are my everything and I have no existence without you. Nobody can ever do whatever you have done for me. You are and always will be the most special person in my life. I wish I can make you proud and serve you throughout my life. Next I want to thank is my father to let this event actually happen and for allowing me to do Arangetram as well as for allowing me to pursue my passion. He has always given me freedom to take each and every decision on my own. He has even allowed me to do mistakes and learn from them. That freedom has made me an independent person today. Thank you for that. Next I want to thank is my Guruji, Purvi Didi. She not only teaches us dance, but also shows us the correct path and teaches us how to live life. In the beginning of my Arangetram training, she had told me such things about dance and life that those things helped me a lot. I have genuinely tried to follow everything which she has told me till now. She had also told me to take knowledge of Bhagavad Gita while practicing for Arangetram, and that has helped me tremendously. I hope I'll be able to satisfy her and meet her expectations. Now I want to thank my whole family and all my sweet cousins who greatly supported and encouraged me to progress in this field. I feel extremely lucky to have such supportive family. Also, I feel so lucky as nobody has ever asked me that tare dance search karo to te su kam CS karyu. Nobody has ever asked me that. Thank you. I wish to say a special thank you to my brother Jaimin Bhai, who actually initiated this journey of Arangetram and convinced me to follow my dream. A special thank you to Kevin Bhai, who is my strength and makes me strong whenever I become weak. And a big thank you to Vatsal for such wonderful surprises and for your presence. Thank you Maulin, Runal, Rohan and Bhaiya for being my greatest support in Ahmedabad. I now want to thank my school, Princess School, and Ravi sir, Mamta ma'am, Uncle ji, Auntie ji, Ketan sir, and all my great teachers. My journey of dance started in my school. They have always encouraged us, the students, to pursue what our heart says instead of pressurizing us with the burden of studies. I feel so proud that my school gives equal importance to all extracurricular activities along with academics. I remember that Ravi sir was very happy when he came to know that I became a company secretary. But he was 100 times more happy when I told him that I have again started learning Bharatnatyam. They have always encouraged me and are still encouraging me just like their own child. I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for teaching me good manners, perfection, discipline, punctuality, dedication, respect for elders, and other important lessons of life, and also for giving me my purpose of living, that is dance. Next, I want to thank all my friends who have been with me in each and every situation and helping me to overcome the difficult phases of my life. In fact, they actually treat me like a star when I dance. I wouldn't have survived for 5 long years in Ahmedabad if you all wouldn't have been there with me. And I would have been all alone if my friends in Rajkot wouldn't have been there with me. Thank you so much for always being there, guys. Thank you. Next, I want to thank all my sweet friends of our Srujan School of Dance. Thank you for correcting all my mistakes. Thank you for being so patient with me and for supporting me. Also, the last 3 weeks of practice at SSRV school with my Arangetram batch friends were just amazing. Thank you so much, girls, for everything. Not only my friends, but even their parents have supported and encouraged me tremendously. A big thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my sweet aunties and uncles for caring for me like your own child. Also, a special thank you to Sarlaben. જે એજમાં લોકો રિટાયર થતા હોય છે તે એજમાં અમારા સરલાબેન નાના બાળક જેવા એન્થુઝિયાઝમથી ડાન્સ શીખે છે અને તેટલા જ ઉમળકાથી અમને ડાન્સ શીખવાડે છે. એક એલ્ડર તરીકે પણ તેઓ અમને ઘણું બધું શીખવાડે છે. થેન્ક યુ સરલાબેન. નેક્સ્ટ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ થેન્ક યુ કંચનબેન. કંચનબેન અમારા પરિવારના ખૂબ જ અગત્યના સભ્ય છે. તેઓ છેલ્લા 25 વર્ષથી અમારા ઘરે આવે છે અને મમ્મીને બધી જ મદદ કરે છે. મારી એક્ઝામ્સ હોય, ડાન્સ હોય કે સ્કૂલ હોય, દરેક વખતે તેમણે અમારું ખૂબ જ ધ્યાન રાખ્યું છે. તમે અમારા માટે જેટલું પણ કર્યું છે અને કરો છો તેના માટે હું તમારો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. થેન્ક યુ. નેક્સ્ટ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ થેન્ક ઇઝ માય ડોક્ટર રાજેશ ઠક્કર સર. He has been like God to me when I had faced some difficult health issues. He has solved all my health problems which at that time seemed impossible to solve. He has always been very calm and supportive. He makes me fit and healthy, and so only I am able to dance. Thank you, sir, for always being there for me. Last but not the least, I wish to thank Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, my role model, Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari, Mr. Salman Khan, Remo sir for making ABCD 1 and 2, and Dharmesh sir, as all of them have been my great inspiration. Whenever I became weak, I used to see their videos and then I could immediately rise up again. Thank you so much for that. This journey of Arangetram has been a journey of lifetime as I went through a series of ups and downs. Every new day would come up with a new challenge. It has made me a very strong person now. In this journey, I learned some of the most important lessons of life and my entire perspective towards life changed completely. I got a new and a very clear vision about life and people. I shall now on live my life in a completely different way with a different attitude. I shall remember these lessons throughout my life. Today I wish to give a small message. If the children are allowed to follow their heart and pursue their dreams, then they shall definitely make their parents proud. That freedom of following their hearts will lead them to great success in their future. Thank you. Namaste.